Introducing Ethereal Elegance, portrait of a veiled woman, timeless wall art. Evoke a sense of mystery and elegance with our captivating wall art piece. This stunning portrayal encapsulates the beauty and allure of a veiled woman. Her features delicately obscured, yet her essence radiating through. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, every brushstroke captures the graceful curves and subtle expressions. Perfect for enhancing living rooms, bedrooms, or office interiors. Whether you seek to infuse your home with a sense of serenity or to spark conversations, this piece promises to be a captivating focal point. Elevate your decor and invite whispers of elegance with our portrait of a veiled woman wall art. Visit our website to bring timeless charm and intrigue to your space today.